break out a brawl.
Yeah, me. I wanted some too.
Here.
Girl, why y'all acting like that? Them birds are doing nothing but trying to eat.
Can you take this piece off? Look where she throwing it right
Y'all
by her
pregnant.
foot. When they start attacking you,
What's bigger?
she throwing it right by her foot.
Because they don't want nothing but to eat. They don't want me.
Together. She just like that lady on Home Alone.
Yes. Girl, these birds don't want us. They want the milk.
Because they don't want us. They coming back for more.
But they gotta eat.
She got it right here. She fed them chicken yesterday, y'all. Fed them they self.
Fed them themselves.
She fed them they self.
Y'all should be able to all take their way on time. Don't you take my feet? She said, don't you take
Don't you peck my feet. When the dog came through the hotel, I said, oh, she's talking about that dog. Hush. That dog is not bothering me.
Oh, look at the baby cave. I like you.
I like you.
Thank you.
Yes. She said he cute.
You get another one. You cute. Oh, don't let him. Let him take it. I'm going to eat some of it now.
She said, I'm going to eat some of it now.
You didn't get down here. Oh,
You didn't get no what?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, well, I'm tired. They want the best job.
oh, he got it, Kim. You had to throw it away from the other ones. They
Oh,
bullying him.
who took it? Shit. Did he know yours? Just one little piece. He took it from her. So that's just one little piece. Oh, shit. That dirty dog. Put it in her mouth. Okay.
Sorry, guys. That's all she had.
Right.
She said he took it from him.
He took it right from him. And now he just got the world. I don't tell you. He cute too.
And he cute too.